Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have this her holiday collection. This is super exciting because I love fragrances. So this has all deluxe size, like little mini of the fragrances. I'm super excited for this. I'm like so excited. I cannot wait to open this up. Anybody that knows me knows that every single day I have a different scent on. Your girl loves fragrances. If you don't believe me, watch my fragrance collection video and you'll see like the array of all different fragrances that I currently own. Since then, I've even collected so much more, but I love fragrances. I'll link that video down below for you guys. So super excited to open this up for you guys. I ordered this from Ulta.com. I believe you can only get this online. I don't think they sell this in the stores. But if you guys want to see everything in this box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I wish you guys can see like my whole little pumpkin shirt that I have on. I'm giving you Halloween vibes. Today is October 1st, but by the time this video comes out, because I have to post my Goddess Provision unboxing, then I gotta post this after, so it's gonna be a couple of days behind because you guys know your girl loves to film more than one video a day. So, but it's October, so that's why I'm in October Halloweeny theme. Let's get into this box. But wait, hold on. Before I do, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related, anything beauty related. I do makeup subscription unboxes. I do makeup hauls. I do makeup mystery unboxings. Anything beauty related you'll get on this channel. If these are things that you would like to watch, and I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty guys, the highly anticipated, I can't wait to open this. Alrighty, so a $200 value, that speaks volume to me for only paying $39.50, but let's see if it was worth it. Alrighty, so it looks like everything for the most part, not everything, but they're all individually wrapped. So that's everything in the box. So let's see here. We'll open up the first round of stuff. Alrighty, so for this, I got these 3 scents. Alright, so we have Juicy Couture, Viva La Juicy. I love Juicy's fragrances. So these are, the bottles are so cute. Guys, can we take a second to appreciate this cute little bottle here? Oh my gosh. So cute. Let's smell it. It's very sweet. Sweet and fruity. I love Juicy scents. They're all very sweet and fruity. Very cute. I'm here for it. The next one is Kate Spade. Let's look at the bottle. The bottle's cute. She's cute. Look at the little bottle. That's the bottle. Let's smell her. Oh, this smells a little florally too. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm loving the little pink little cap. It has like a heart of spade on the top. Very cute. Alright, the next one is, it says Define Me by Kana Aquamarine. It says it's a crystal-infused natural perfume mist. Everybody that knows me knows I love crystals. Oh, there's a... Oh, I got one of these in my BoxyCharm. It has a crystal in here. I think this is the one that I actually own already. But it has a crystal. Can you guys see the crystal in here? It's at the bottom. I love this just because it has a crystal in here. It could smell terrible, but I love it just for that. But I think I have this already. Yeah, it smells just like the beach. I guess hence the name Aquamarine. Aquamarine. Smells amazing. It's a rollable though. It's not a spray, so. Oh, I guess because when you roll it, it gets the crystal to move around. Very cute. I'm here for it. I am here for it. So that's the first 3 that I got. Let's go on to the next. All right, so the next is in here. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's a lot in this one. So we got, I think this is Flower Bomb. Let me look in the box. Oops. The only thing I will say about these, which kind of sucks, is like if you're not familiar with the scent, like this has no name on it. I'm gonna guess it's Flower Bomb. Yes, this is Victor Rolf Bon Eau de Parfum. Let's smell this. I do own Flower Bomb, but I don't have this one. Is this a spray bottle or a cap? Oh, this is like the pour bottle. It's not an Aisha scent. It's fruity, but it has like a tinge of musk to it. But this, guys, look how cute this bottle is. Like, can we get a second to appreciate this bottle right here? I'm here for the bottle. Very cute. Then this one is what? See, that's the thing. Like, if you don't know, if you're not familiar with the scent, you wouldn't know what this is. So what is this? I have no idea what this is. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's Valentino. Ooh. Oh, I love this. This is nice. How do you explain scents? Like, I don't know, like, all the different types of scents to say. I just know if it's, like, fruity, citrus, musky. So far, none of them are really giving me musky vibes, but I just sprayed this in my last video, so I can't really smell. I think I'm smelling this. So my last unboxing, I just showed you guys, I bought this from Sephora. It's from Sol de Janeiro. It's like a nectar spray. It's only $20, but I love the smell of this. But I sprayed it, and I should have never sprayed this because, duh, I was filming this right after. Now this is all that I smell. So sorry for that, but I'm like, oh, it smells citrusy, but it's probably, I'm smelling this. So we're going to have to more go and critique the bottle. I don't have any coffee beans. I don't drink coffee, so I can't smell coffee beans to clean my palate of what I smell. But I'm here for the bottle. This bottle is so cute. We love this bottle. All right, this is Donna Karen. I know I do not like this scent, Donna Karen Cashmere, but the bottle was cute. The bottle is very cute. I'm here for the bottle. And then what is this? This is Penrose Secret Genius. Let me see. Is this a... I think all of... Oh, this is another rollable. Let me see if I could smell it. I still smell like my thing that I sprayed in my previous video. This is a hard no. It reminds me of like some type of cleaner. Bug repellent, something. This is a hard no for me. This is a hard no. But the 3 that I got now was what? I got, what was it? It was this, this, and this. And then let's go to the next one. So I got, how many's in here? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in this one. It's like perfume heaven right now. Oh, I got an Ariana Grande fragrance. Yes, Ari. This bottle is cute. I am here for this bottle. Let's smell it. I really, honestly and truly, I can't because I sprayed that other thing. Everything smells the same. So I really apologize that I really can't smell anything for this video, which kind of sucks. But love the bottle, love the bottle. I wish like the box had like what type of scent. Oh, they do. It does tell you what type of scent. It says this is a femininity. That doesn't, I don't know if I'm saying that right. And power. It says it has pear blossom, sandalwood, intoxicating musk. I don't like scents that have a musk, so I probably won't like this. But I'm here for the bottle. That's going to be cute on my vanity. The next thing I got is Beautiful Belle. This is the first one that's a spray bottle. Most of them were like the pour or rollerball. This is not like my type of scent. This is another scent that reminds me of like maybe like my mom or like my grandma, like a more mature scent. But I'm here for the bottle. The bottle is cute. That's a bottle. Okay, Clinique Happy. I don't even have to spray it to know I do not like what this smells like. So your girl ain't even gonna spray this. I'll gift it and give it to somebody because I know I'm not gonna like the smell of this. It's just, I can't even explain. Like, what do they describe it as? It says a hint of citrus, a wealth of flowers, Clinique's best-selling fragrance. I don't know how it is because it does not smell. And I love the smell of flowers, but I definitely don't get that when I smell this. I'm not even going to spray it because I know I don't like it. So this is Versace Turquoise. I like the Versace fragrances. This bottle is cute. I'm here for it. I am here for it. It looks like a genie bottle. And they got the Versace head on the top. Alright, let's see. This is a pour bottle, right? Let me see. It smells a little musky to me. I don't know if I like this. Let's see what it has in here. See? It has wood and musk. See? Anything that's woody or musky, your girl does not like. I knew it right away. That's a hard no for me. No, no, no. Now, Black Opium. I hear a lot of people talk about this. What does this smell like? It says white flowers, a warm twist, floral perfume. All right, let's see. I hear a lot of people say good things about this. I can't really smell it. Where can I put it where I didn't spray anything? I'll put it here. I feel like I can still smell that. This is pungent. For it just being a mist. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is cute. I'm here for that. It smells a little sweet. This is cute. I'm here for it. I do like that. And then what was the other bottle that I got? I guess that was all. There was a Belle. It was a Versace. It was a Clinique Happy, which I am not even going to spray. We got an Ariana Grande, and we got the Black Opium. And then I know what this is. This is the Lancome La Vie est Belle. I love this. I've bought this bottle and replenished it. So I already know I love this. I don't even have to smell this because I own the big bottle to this. But how cute is the baby bottle, guys? How cute is this? Yes, I am here for the mini, but like these are so cute. I'm gonna put this on like my vanity. These are so cute, guys. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it should be 12. It says 13. Am I missing something? Oh, sorry. 13. 13 Deluxe. This is really cute. Like, I am here for this, guys. I am so here for this. If you want to try different scents. Because, honestly, the only one that I think I own is the Pin Rose with the crystal. Because I got that. No, not this one. Where is it? The Aquamarine I got in BoxyCharm, or was it Ipsy? One of the two. I have tons of the juicy fragrances. I think I have this one, Viva La Juicy, and I do have this one, the Lancome fragrance. And that's the only 4. I only have 3 out of the whole set, so I got to try a lot of new fragrances. So that's kind of cool about these. And if you don't like them, they're tiny. Give them away as a little stocking stuffer or something to somebody, as a little add-on. But I absolutely love this. I think this is a great concept. Would I say this is worth $200 now? Would I say it's worth $39.50? Yes. It's definitely worth $39.50. $200? I beg to differ. But that's just my opinion. My opinion only. Do not come for your girl. That's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And that's really about it. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.